And in the capital, for his 56th birthday today, Monday, 7th October, the Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, chose to spend time with the infirm.
Now, he visited the children on admission at the Princess Louise Children's Hospital and also the Autism Awareness Centre, both in Accra. Dr. Bawumia promised to help renovate the Children's Hospital and provide some support for the Autistic Awareness Centre.
Over the 94 years of its existence, the Princess Louise Children's Hospital has remained the leading and biggest children's hospital in Ghana. The hospital's inpatient capacity is 108 beds and treats about 200 outpatients every day. To the Vice President, celebrating his special day is more meaningful while impacting lives, and therefore his decision to celebrate with the children at the Princess Louise Hospital in Accra. Dr. Mia interacted with the children, some food and drinks. He also donated 10,000 cedis to the hospital. The Children's Hospital is one of the critical health facilities in the country, but its directors say the hospital is working with constraints.
Accra is expanding fast and urgently needs such a facility. We just have 108 beds for inpatients. So we need a large specialized children's hospital. So I'm asking the government to think of building a beautiful children's hospital specialized for our children.
Dr. Bawumia promised to help renovate the hospital.
But it's very important that PML, as we know it today, is also expanded and is also resourced so that you can do the work that you continue to do. So, Father Campbell, this is also going to be a project that we will work on to see how to improve the infrastructure here. I think that we can work and do something for the children, for the sake of the children here.
From the Princess Marie Hospital, Dr. Bawumia visited the Autism Awareness Centre at Kukumlemle in Accra. Mrs. Sewa Kweno, who founded the centre 20 years ago, says it has been the focal point for children living with autism. Prior to its establishment, children living with the disorder were treated as cursed children and discriminated against. But through the awareness created by the centre, stigmatization is gradually fading. In the past 20 years, the centre has trained about 60 pupils and sent them to the mainstream education system. They currently have 28 children on roll.
A lot of them have what we call sensory difficulties. We know about all the 5 senses we have, but there are 7 senses really. The sense of balance and then the sense of movement. Most of these children are affected either one way or the other, and some of them have more. Either they are hypersensitive or hyposensitive. So therefore, when they have these challenges and they can't talk to you, this is why people say autism, children with autism have difficult behavior challenges.
The Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, said the country has over the years not done enough to support centres such as the Autistic Awareness Centre, and it is time for the needed attention.
If you are quite frank, you know that as a country, we have not really done well when it comes to children with special needs. We're really not done well. And I think it is time for a change, because these are some of the most vulnerable children. And I think it is important for government to do what it can to support these children and to support, places like the Autism Awareness Centre here.
Dr. Bawumia supported the centre with 20,000 cedis, 25 bags of rice, 5 cartons of oil and other items. The Vice President said it is important to give special needs children the proper attention to play their role in society.